Are you here because you want a fast way to earn online money quickly and easily? You're watching the right video. I'll be walking you through a website where you can earn PayPal money in just a few easy steps. You can do it on your phone, or you can do it on your laptop while sitting at home, no matter where you are in the world. Whether you're in the United States, Southeast Asia, or Africa, you can use this website and have a way to make income through low-effort means. All you have to do is complete certain tasks, and you'll be paid immediately through PayPal without any hassle. The more tasks you complete, the more money you can earn. The tasks are easy and can be done in a matter of a few minutes. The best part is, you can do it as much as you want so you can earn a lot of money right away. I will walk you through the steps throughout the video, so make sure you tune in and listen carefully so that you don't miss any detail. But before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to see more tips like this on our channel. Ring that notification bell and share this with all your friends, and together you can earn some money online. On this website, the earning potential is limitless, but they are very transparent with the money you will receive in compensation depending on what you do. If you complete a 5-minute task, you can earn $25. If you complete a 10-minute task, you can earn $75. And if you complete a 30-minute task, you can earn up to $300. You can do this either on your personal computer or on your phone. I'll show you how you can do it. The website I will be showing you today is a website called validately.com. On this website, all you have to do is follow the tasks that they give. But the majority of the time you will be doing work such as testing websites. So it's very easy because all you have to do is click things on the screen and you'll get paid for it. No need to invest any money or sell anything. It's 100% free and legitimate easy way to make money online without having to worry about needing to put in a lot of effort or requiring a high-end PC. Now, in order to get paid, make sure that you follow their rules as well. They will specifically warn you that you are only allowed to use Google Chrome when testing websites so that you can get paid. If you use any other website like Firefox, Internet Explorer, or Opera, there's a high chance that you might not get paid for your work. Now, of course, in order to start working for this website, you must fill up a form and register for their website so that they can approve your account and you can start making money. Please listen well and don't skip through anything in this video because I want you to follow carefully in my steps. Especially since there are 16 questions on the registration form, we wouldn't want you getting confused, especially since your income will rely on how well you'll be able to answer these questions. But don't worry, it's very easy. Now, let's go through them bit by bit. First, click on the Create an Account button. We'll go through each of the questions together, one by one, so follow closely. The first question is about your mobile device. They'll ask what kind of phone you use, and you can select as many as you want, depending on what you own. Next, it's the same question but with your personal computer. Question 3 is related to the operating software that your computer uses. So just make sure to select the right answers for your device. Next is your gender. Then the year you were born. Then your employment status. Once again, just answer these questions as best as you can. When it comes to question 7, which is your employment status? It's best if you answer self-employed, so that they will know that you have a lot of time on your hands to work for them and earn money through their website. Question 8 is the industry you're working in. There are a lot of options to choose from. However, the more closely related your industry is to the website, the more chance you'll be able to earn money. So since this is a job that will require you to test other websites, It will be more useful if you have a background in anything software related like information technology. Question 9. Is your job title? Once again, you can find a lot of options to select your answer. Just make sure you just click the right one that applies to you. On question 10, they will ask about your current annual household income. Once again, choose whichever one applies to you right now. We're almost done. The next few questions will be the easy ones now. They will ask for your full name. Email. Your PayPal email. This is important because this is how you'll be getting paid. Password. Then they'll ask for your time zone by detecting your location. And finally, you just need to agree to the privacy policy. Then you're done. Just go to your email and make sure to validate your email. Once your email is validated, they will be requiring you to do a quick screener test to see how you'll be able to complete your tasks. You can use your phone or your computer. Just make sure you use Google Chrome and nothing else. Now click on the white button that says, I will test websites for money. A green circle will appear on your upper right-hand corner of the screen, and it will be where you'll see the instructions for your task and what you need to do. Once you're ready, you'll be redirected to download a Google Chrome extension called Validately and Moderated Testing. Once you're able to do that, you'll be free to make money once you start doing it. You'll be able to receive jobs that tell you to visit websites and complete easy tasks like searching for something or interacting with something on the website. It's very easy. Once again, this is an easy way to make money online through low-effort means. Just make sure to follow all the instructions for the tasks that they will be giving you because it is very easy. No need to worry about putting in too much effort because you can start doing this right away in an instant and make money. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I'm able to help you find a new way to make some little income. As always, if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Maybe share this with your friends and be able to help out others too.